Hey yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Kurta back with another video, and today guys, in this video we're gonna review the Huawei Nova 9 Pro. So anyways guys, let's get into this video. Chinese company Huawei has launched a new series of smartphone that looks and feel very attractive. Although the series has not been released globally now, it is available in China region. If you like the brand, you may be inclined to buy the phone as it not yet available globally. It is necessary to wait for its global release, otherwise you can also go for an alternative as per your requirement. We all know that brand smartphone are equipped with complete cutting-edge technology, spectacular design and more powerful features. Released alongside the Nova 9 on September 30, 2021, the Huawei Nova 9 Pro smartphone is much more up-to-date than its sibling. As it is an mid-budget phone, there is a limitation for some users. Let's start with the detailed review of the Huawei Nova 9 Pro smartphones. So, the highlight of this Huawei Nova 9 Pro is that the highlight is 1. You will have a 6.72-inch OLED screen with 120 HD refresh rate. And number 2, instead of Android 11, you will have Harmony OS 2.0 operating system. And for number 3, with the 6mm Qualcomm Snapdragon 788G chipset, you will get the best performance in the industry. Our next highlight is that there is a quad camera with 50 MP primary sensor, but the dual selfie camera with a 32 MP sensor offers more satisfaction, and I like that. And last and not least for this highlight will be the 4000 mAh battery charges via 100-watt fast charger. Design and display. The same unique square shape design attracts many users, comes with a metal body, provides comfortable handling. The back panel display a branding with a logo. With 4 variants, you have freedom of choice, whether it's black, blue, green or violet. You can choose your preferred option, where the fingerprint sensor under the display add a nice touch to the phone. The quad-core camera with its unique style makes the phone stand out among others. Undoubtedly, the phone is suitable for all users, and that's pretty amazing guys. If you are meticulous with the screen, you can be possessive with the phone, as it comes with the 6.72 inches OLED screen with 1236p resolution. Therefore, you don't need to think of any alternatives, but it is advisable to compare them with other phones. With HDR10 certification, you are assured of fairness it offers while watching anything on your phone. Even the model takes it more interested when you don't experience any motion blur, as it comes with 120 refresh rate. That's very cool. Where a phone is built with 439 ppi density, it is certain that there won't be any compromise with color. It offers 1B color without losing image clarity. You will be discouraged as there are no protection feature. You'll miss the Gorilla Glass screen cover even without water or dust resistant protection. Although there are many features, you won't feel like you're carrying a heavy product. It only weighs 186 g, so that's kind of light, for a phone. And that's very interesting. With this model, the sidebar is 8 mm thick, which allows you to hold the phone properly in your hand. The overall layout adds a sophisticated personality to you. If you are brand obsessed, and when I say brand, I mean of the Huawei brand. If you are brand obsessed, you should embrace all the features of the Huawei Nova 9 Pro as to offer. The brand has always made a different choice when it comes to operating system. We're all aware of its unique Harmony OS 2.0 operating system, which runs smoothly and delivers spectacular operating power. So you don't have to worry about Google Play service because Huawei has its own Play Store, and that's amazing. You will miss your custom interface as the phone has no default interface, but you can assure that you will not face clutter issues because of the presence of your unique operating system, if you understand what I'm saying. As you dig deeper, you'll find many other cool features that makes the phone more customer friendly, as if it comes with a 6mm quad-core SM7325 Snapdragon 78G chipset. The power of such a beast is obviously a game changer in the smartphone industry. You may not be ahead of the 5G game as it only a 4G brand. The octa-core processor offers 2.4 GHz maximum clock speed. What is most demanding in this era of cutting-edge technology is that the additional of Adreno 64 2L graphics unit. Each image is so real that you won't fascinate whether you're playing a game or watching a movie. It's like real life, very realistic. Although there are no separate micro SD card slot, you'll have two different storage variants. From there, you'll need to choose one carefully. There is only one variant with RAM, which is 8 GB, but you will see the difference with internal storage. The basic variant is 120 GB, while the superior comes with 256 GB of capacity. Both are powerful and can be satisfied differently segments of society. So let's talk about the camera. The brand also left no stone unturned with its camera. There is an wonderful quad core that does everything you need to get the more remarkable photos. The 50MP main camera has autofocus mode. With the help of this, you just focus on the subject and capture the exact object you want. There is no iOS technology, and this can lose the charm of the phone, but that doesn't make your journey monotonous. With the help of 8MP wide camera, you can take decent wide angle shots, but this isn't the best lens, as many of the phone comes with 2MP micro and 2MP depth respectively. You won't be exempt from this. Nova 9 Pro has the same quality as the cameras. You have a wider scope of experiments, whether it's closed up or blur portraits or pictures. You can capture some amazing noteworthy photos, and that's pretty amazing, peeps. On the other hand, the selfie camera gives you a shock. It comes with dual camera where you will have a 2MP wide sensor and another 32MP wide camera sensor. It looks like the selfie camera is much better than the rear camera. Each image clearly is your final rendering, which makes the Huawei Nova 9 Pro as the best camera phone. Any Without any stress, you can get amazing photos of low light. The maximum video recording capacity of both cameras is 4K, which is definitely a better addition even with the help of Gyro EIS technology. You're well ahead to burn your YouTube game. And this is for all the gamers out there. The Huawei Nova 9 Pro phone is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, which is the modest choice for the brand. Whether you play games or watch videos without any interruption, 6 hours of time is all you've got on the battery. This may give you a bit of headache, but when you see the 100-watt fast charger, you can charge your phone in 20 minutes and it gets up to 100%. You will definitely OPT for this option. It comes with a reverse charging feature as well. Talking about the price, you will get the Nova 9 Pro phone for only $539. And just in my opinion right here, guys, I mean, if y'all gonna buy a phone that for this price, I mean, yes, it's a low mid-budget phone, but I mean, if you're gonna buy a phone and you only get like 6 hours out of the day, it's like 24 hours in a day, and you only get like 6 hours on the battery out of the phone out of the 24 hours. I mean, I would consider like buying this phone. I mean, I know that this price is mid cheap, but nah, maybe I would buy it, yes, because the camera specs is actually good. The cameras is excellent. It's a good camera phone, but like for playing games and watching videos, you only get like 6 hours of charging. And I mean, like, you're gonna charge your phone like twice per day or 2 times per day, like twice per day or 3 times per day, just to get it to 100. Not because it has like a 100-watt fast charger. Charging your phone multiple times is not good for the battery, so I would definitely reconsidering buying this phone. Now on my screen, I'll be showing you guys the pros and cons of the Huawei Nova 9 Pro. This is like the advantage and disadvantage of having or buying this phone. So the Pro is tall OLED display with 1B color support. Number 2, it comes with 120 HD refresh rate and HDR10. Number 3, decent 6mm chipset performance. Number 4, better image and video quality. Number 5, 4K video recording with Gyro EIS support. And number 6, 32MP dual selfie camera with a stable video recording. Number 7, 100-watt fast charger with reverse charging support. Now, this is the cons of this phone, or rather the disadvantage. Number 1, it comes without any Gorilla Glass screen protection. Number 2, it comes without dust resistance and water resistance. Number 3, micro SD card is not supported. No 5G connectivity. Number 5, Harmony OS may not support some devices. Number 6, low battery capacity. Number 7, no wireless charging support. Number 8, no custom UI support. So you, my lovely viewers and loyal supporters that has been watching this video for this time long, now you sit there and you see the pros and cons, the advantages and disadvantages of this phone. Listen, the Huawei Nova 9 Pro is an amazing smartphone with an upper mid-range budget category starting price. Starting with the display, processor, chipset and camera, the brand took care of all the features. But what is demotivating is its similar capacity battery and without 5G support. Like, what the hell? Phone that are making these days has the best capacity in battery. That's one of the major thing a phone should have. And the second thing, it should have 5G support. So you're telling me that I'm gonna buy a phone that has a very low capacity, only thing it can do is take good pictures? Nah. I mean, the price is a mid-budget phone, yes, but I mean, no, I would not buy this phone. Definitely not. It doesn't matter if you have 100-watt fast charger. Charging a phone twice a day is annoying. Fast charging is just a mind-blowing combination with reverse charging. Another important thing is the brand own operating system. If you commit to these little things, you can be sure of superior performance of the smartphone. But you must also be aware of your alternatives, as there is also no global available of this phone yet. You can try alternative option like the Google Pixel Pro. The Google Pixel Pro smartphone can be considered the best alternative option for the Nova 9 Pro smartphone. Best believe that, guys. So don't waste your money by this. I mean, only if you want to take some like cool photos and stuff, you can let it be like your camera phone. But nah, not to use this personally. Maybe buy this giving your grandma or something, because who's gonna use this phone now in this time of year and time of day? It's like for old people, no disrespect, but I mean, for people like us, young people who are gonna be on social media playing games all day, PUBG and all that sort of things, this phone is gonna die the minute we have it in our hands. So no. And the 100-watt charger fast charging thing is just a scam. That's just mind-blowing combination. And then they have the guts to tell you that it's gonna have reverse charging. Like, what the hell? Come on, Huawei, come on. But anyways, guys, let me know if y'all will get this phone. Me personally, I won't. So just leave your comment down in the comment section and let me know.